What's up, LNT fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project, 2017 Audi R8 with the front end collision. So we're gonna start working on it. We're gonna pull the car inside of the shop, start taking everything apart, and we'll go from there. Also, if you guys are new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Enough of this talk and let's get to work. Got some parts for the R8. A lot of parts?
Oh
yeah. What are the ticket at right now? Holy, 23,000?
Don't be exposing those
Wow,
numbers.
that's expensive. It's gonna be expensive repair. We'll start stripping the car and start repairing. We finally got all the parts. Got the Audi in the shop so we could start taking everything apart, but let's take a closer look what's going on with it. Front end collision, obviously the bumper, the headlights, the hood got damaged, and then from the hood pushing into the doors, so both doors got damaged as well. So we're gonna be replacing the doors, left side and the right side. We'll start removing everything and we'll go from there, so let's go. Just took everything apart, and Aita has a lot more damage, but it's not bad at all. Let's take a look. Pretty much reinforcement saved everything, so we got a new reinforcement and this upper support, or I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but it's all bolt on, so we could just replace, put a new. Should be fairly quick repair. Let's continue removing the reinforcement and all that good stuff, and we'll go from there. We're finished with the front end. We repaired everything and everything is good to go. Let's check it out. We got a new upper bar, so we're all done. We straightened everything. So next they got to replace the center radiator, the air duct. This one got pushed in. It has a big ding. It's not leaking, but it has damage, you know. Got a new one, so we'll do that real quick. We'll go from there. Let's do it. We're all done with the front end, so now we could jump on the doors. We got to remove both doors because we got new doors. And Andre already started prepping the hood and both doors. Let's check it out. He's got to paint the hood inside, both doors, and then we're going to install everything back on the car. Install everything back in the car and spray everything at once, and pretty much the car is ready to go. So it should be a quick repair. Let's go. So Audi hood got jammed and ready to go. Let me show you guys. See how it's like flat without the clear, so that's how factory goes. And then we also painted the two doors inside, but on the doors we put clear, so they're nice and shiny. Also new hinges as well. So next we'll install everything in the car and we'll paint everything at once. So that's the little process we gotta go through. So now we could jump on the doors. We gotta remove both doors because we got new doors and they're right there ready to go. So I gotta remove, transfer all the insides and install the doors. So it should be fun. Fairly easy to remove them. Let me show you what you gotta do. Should be fairly easy to remove them. You pop this cover open and this cover, and then there should be 2 screws here and 2 screws here, I believe, and then it should come off. So we'll jump on this, knock it out, and we'll go from there. Just installed the door, looking good, gaps are perfect, so we're done with this side. Next we could jump on the other door and do the same thing, knock it out, and then we'll install the hood. Let's go. Is it, my friends? Just put the whole front end together, looking good. I replaced the center radiator, fixed the front end, so we're all done up here, installed the hood. So let's check out the gaps and see how they are. Hood closes no problem, very lightly. And let's check out our gaps. Look at this, boom, perfect gaps. And let's check out the other side. Same thing, looking good, like nothing happened. So the car is all done and ready for paint. So we'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 2. In part 2 we'll start the painting process, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make this paint job 100% perfect. Stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!